Hello everyone, this is Kalpana here. In this video, we're going to see a problem from limits. So let's get going. Problem: find limit of the given expression as x tends to 3. Right? First, see direct substitution method. Substitute x equal to 3 in the given expression. 1 by x minus 3 minus 2 by x square minus 4x plus 3. This gives us 1 by 3 minus 3 minus 2 by 3 square minus 4 into 3 plus 3, which gives us 1 by 3 minus 3 0 minus 2 by 3 square 9 minus 4 3 is 12 plus 3. 1 by 0 is undefined, right? So which is infinity, minus 2 by 9 plus 3 12 minus 12, which gives us 0. Again 2 by 0 is undefined. So you got infinity minus infinity, which is indeterminate form. Here itself we can say that it's going to be infinity minus infinity, right? No need to write all this. Right. Now coming to the problem. Since x equal to 3 in the expression results to infinity minus infinity form, that is indeterminate form, so we'll try to reduce this expression to 0 by 0 form, which is also an indeterminate form. And if we get 0 by 0 form, we can try factorization method to solve the problem. Okay, there is a possibility. Let's see. Find factors of x square minus 4x plus 3. So you can write minus 4x as minus 3x minus x. Take x common from the first two times, you'll get x times x minus 3, and minus common from the next 3 times. Here x minus 3 is a common factor. You'll get x minus 3 into x minus 1, right? So the denominator of the second term will be x minus 3 into x minus 1. Now take LCM of x minus 3 and x minus 3, x minus 1. X minus 3, x minus 1 is the LCM of these two. So in the denominator first term you have x minus 3, so close x minus 3 and multiply this factor to this 1, you'll get x minus 1 minus, you have 2 here, and in the second factor you have both the terms, so you don't need to multiply anything to this numerator, just write 2. Okay, this gives us limit x tends to 3. Yeah, if you substitute x equal to 3, you'll get 3 minus 3. Minus 1 minus 2 is 3, right? I mean minus 3. So you'll get 3 minus 3. And here it becomes 3 minus 3. So expression is reduced to 0 by 0 form. Right? Now what we are going to do is, we'll just simplify it first. This is also in 0 by 0 form. We'll substitute x equal to 3, you'll get 3 minus 3 0 by 0. 0 into this term becomes 0, right? Somehow you'll get 0 by 0. So now what we'll do is we'll eliminate the terms that makes the total expressions 0 by 0. Okay, you can't say that just eliminate the terms that make 0 by 0 form. We'll just cancel out the common factors of numerator and denominator. Here common factor of numerator and denominator is x minus 3. Just cancel that out. So you'll get limit x tends to 3, 1 by x minus 1. Now you can try direct substitution method. If you substitute x equal to 3, you'll get 1 by 3 minus 1, which is 2, right? Three minus 1 is 2. Fine. Now I'm using direct substitution method. So the limit of this expression as x tends to 3 is 1 by 2. This completes the problem. Well, we have seen a problem from limits using factorization method in this video. I hope you'll understand. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.